What happens when a CCTV system fails? See, how long before you even know? Hours, days? Worse, when it's too late? CCTV failures can go unnoticed for days, putting businesses at risk and damaging your reputation. But what if you could know about faults instantly? Meet Surveillance Guardian, the intelligent monitoring system that tells you the moment something goes wrong. Instant notifications when a camera, NVR or hard drive fails, so you can act before your customer even notices and turn faults into profit. Proactively offer replacement cameras and equipment, increasing your revenue while improving customer service. Avoid emergency failures. Get alerts when hard drives are wearing out so you can replace them before they fail. Save time and costs. Diagnose problems remotely and even fix some issues without sending an engineer. Surveillance Guardian helps you provide better service, increase revenue, and stay ahead of the competition. Get started today.